Now there are different kinds of projects. We'll understand what are the different kinds of projects in SAP. Okay, who will read this now? Kartiki, can you read? Kartiki, read this. Okay, Kartiki is not available. Alekia, can you read? Alekia?
Yes, sir. SAP FICO projects are categorized into five primary types: implementation, support, rollout, upgrade, migration, and enhancement. Each manages a distinct phase of an organization's financial software lifecycle, ranging from initial system setup to ongoing maintenance and future expansion. First, implementation projects. The setup of
Wait, wait, wait,
SAP
wait, wait,
FICO
wait,
modules from
wait. See, SAP FICO projects are categorized into five primary types: implementation, support, rollout, upgradation, migration, enhancement. What is implementation? Implementation is making everything from scratch. That is company code, chart of accounts, GL accounts, using SPRO, everything from scratch. That is called implementation. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What is support? After implementation, let's say there are any errors, the client has any errors, or the institute or the company has any errors, you go ahead and solve the errors like a support consultant. Yes or no? They will call you, or they will text you, or they will send you an email, you will get a ticket, and you have to solve that. That is support. Yes or no? What is rollout?
Yes.
What is rollout? Yes. Indumati, can you read rollout?
Rollout Project, expanding an existing successfully implemented SAP ecosystem to new geographical locations, subsidiaries, or business unit, while core financial templates remain standard. This involves configuring regional taxation, statutory reporting, and local currency setting.
Okay, so see, rollout means expanding an existing successfully implemented SAP ecosystem to new geographical locations. So let's say in India we have already implemented it. Now we want to do it in Egypt. So while core financial templates remain standard, this involves configuring regional taxation, statutory reporting, and local currency settings according to that particular country. Yes or no? So basic template will be same, but you have to change the taxes because Egypt will have a different tax. Yes, it will have different reporting. It will have different currency settings. So those things you have to check. Rest of the things will be same. Yes or no, everyone? That is called a rollout project. Clear?
yes, sir.
Okay. Then, okay, Pooja, are you there? I'm asking you again. Pooja, no response. Kartiki, no response. Okay. Okay. Ashutosh, can you read again? Upgradation migration projects.
Yes. Upgradation and migration project, moving an existing SAP FICO system to a newer version or migrating from a classic SAP ECC framework to the advanced SAP S/4HANA Finance. This project type focuses on adopting a modernization architecture, streamlining the Universal Journal (SCDOCA), and utilizing real-time financial reporting.
Okay. So upgradation migration project, moving an existing SAP ecosystem to a newer version or migrating from the classic ECC, the old version of SAP to the advanced version. This is called migration. This project type focuses on adopting modern architecture, streamlining the universal journal and utilizing real-time financial reporting. Yes or no? Clear? What is upgradation migration projects? You have to move from old to new. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And enhancement and development projects. Yes, Pragati, read.
Yes, sir. Enhancement and Development Project. Modifying the existing SAP FICO system to add new customized features, build new financial reports, or integrate with the third-party software that is banking interfaces, tax calculation engines, or specialized treasury tools.
So enhancement is like customer can say, I want a new column, I want a new feature, I want a new row here, I want to add a new field here. He can say anything. We cannot do it. We are not programmers. We are not developers. So we have to create what? We have to go and speak to the ABAPer. We have to create a functional specification. It's a document and we have to send it to the ABAPer. He will code it and then only we can test it and then check for the enhancement. Clear everyone? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
We can ask one more here. How do upgradation migration projects work? We can ask you. How do upgradation and migration projects work? What do we do exactly? Alike, read.
SAP FICO upgrade and migration projects. The transition on an organization from an older system to a newer, more capable version, most commonly from SAP ECC to SAP S4 HANA Finance. I- As an SAP FICO consultant, your primary job is to safeguard financial data integrity, map old data structures to the new Universal Journal ACDOCA database architecture and configure new system features. Phase
Stop,
1
stop, stop.
Preparation and system.
SAP FICO upgrade and migration projects transition an organization from an older system to a newer system. Yes. So SAP ECC to S4 HANA. Okay. So before moving any data, you must evaluate current system health and establish a clean baseline. Okay. So one second. I want it. Okay, we'll have this explain in simple words. Correct. Now, yeah. Alekia, now read this.
Yes, sir. Think of an upgrade and migration projects like moving from your old financial data into a brand new modern house, usually SAP S4 HANA. Instead of starting from scratch, you are packing up your old financial history, organizing it, and moving it safely into a faster, better system without losing a single penny. Here is the
Wait, wait,
exactly what
wait, wait,
you do.
wait. Think of an upgrade migration project like moving from your old financial data. Old home to new home, you have to move, right? Instead of starting from scratch, you are packing up your own financial history, organizing it, and a safe, moving it safely into a faster, better system without losing a single penny. Yes or no? So you have to check the match the numbers, close the books, yes, check the rules, you have to check the setup and so on. Yes or no? The technical team also will help you. Yes. So this is the technical part usually done over a single weekend. Push the button. You use special SAP software tools to copy all the years of your financial history into the new system. Move assets. You move information about company property like building, cars, laptops, and their current values into the new database. So once you go to the projects now, you will learn this step by step how to do it. Yes or no? What to do exactly? Yes, clear everyone right now? What is the meaning of all these projects types?